cooking method, frying. So what I'm going to fry is, I'm going to do a tomato. So I've got a plum tomato here. What I'll do is, get the pan on, get it nice and hot. Got a little bit of oil, just drop it in the pan, this is sunflower oil. Then we want the pan nice and hot to, when it's nice and hot, we'll be able to fry the ingredients. So I've got the tomato, I'm going to put a little bit of salt on it, just before it goes in, a little bit of table salt. And when the pan and the oil is up to a good frying temperature, the oil kind of shimmers on the top. It's a little like that, shimmer, it shimmers. But you can always just keep an eye on it. You want it nice and hot. Let's give a nice. Okay, so just give it a little test. Starting to fry. So now the oil's started to shimmer slightly, a little bit of smoke. So now I'm going to drop the tomato in. It might spit a little bit, where the moisture from the tomato is in the hot pan. Get the oil in there, get it under the tomato. And now, so you want a hot pan, a little bit of oil, heat it up, oil starts shimmering, it's good to go. Ingredients in, might spit a little bit because of the moisture in the food. And then we just keep an eye on it, and then just use a spatula or a spoon or something just to check the ingredients. And with this one you need to be careful because you might get splashes of oil, and it's hot oil, so you've got to be really careful. You don't want to spill it on your skin, especially on your hands around here, because it gets really can be a little bit nasty. There you go, so a little bit longer, a bit more colour. Just work the oil around a little bit. And the ingredients. Roll it. Started to get that nice colour on there. So this would be nice fried tomato for your breakfast, maybe. So you've got fried breakfast, you've got English breakfast, your fried tomato on there. Lovely. Right. Put them over. Just that pan off. So, okay. There we go. So that's the cooking method, frying. And I just done a demonstration with a fried tomato. Did you see that colour in there?